Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to use the QA feature in Zoom step by step, whether you are hosting a webinar or attending one. This feature is a powerful way to ask and answer questions during a live session. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to get the app Zoom from the Microsoft Store, and just like this, you type Zoom, then you get the application, you click on install or get. Okay, then you go into this icon, new meeting. Okay, you just set up here your microphone, and you select a camera, then click on start. First things first, the QA feature is only available in Zoom webinars, not regular Zoom meetings. If you are in a standard meeting, you will only see the chat option, not QA, just like me. I will show you how it can be appeared, just like this icon. It will be right here. And that can be only if you are the host of a Zoom webinar or co-host. Here is what you need to do. When scheduling your webinar, make sure the QA option is enabled, just like I showed you. Click it and the panel will open, this one, where you can view questions from attendees, like that. And this section open, then you can answer live by speaking or type an answer to respond privately or publicly. You can also dismiss questions you don't want to answer by going to the answered section and click on that three buttons and then click on dismiss, or mark questions as answered. You can also control whether participants can submit questions anonymously, see other submitted questions, or upvote their favorite ones. This keeps your session organized and interactive. And that's it, I guess. Now you know exactly how to use the QA feature in Zoom, whether you are a host, co-host, or participant. If you found this helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, or share with someone planning a Zoom webinar soon. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Thank you.